In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone from seeing your Snapchat story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then go to your profile, and once you are at your profile, scroll down until you find add to my story, and then hit at these three dots next to add to my story, and then select story settings. And now, if you want to block someone from seeing your stories, I recommend you to choose custom, and that will open up your Snapchat friends list, and then you can, by check marking users, add them to block list, and once you hit add block, that users will not be able to see your Snapchat stories. Just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.